Dear students, welcome to the online class. I hope that you are doing well. Dear students, I am Raghunath Bonik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Dear students, this is our first lecture of index number, chapter 7. Previous lecture I discussed a creative question of normal distribution from the chapter 6. Today I will discuss the index number of chapter 7. Dear students, contents of this chapter, we can know what is index number and its types. We also know different type of index number, simple and weighted index number, distinguish between simple and weighted index number, methods of determine the index number, different theoretical test of index number. We can able to know ideal index number, methods of cost of living index number, and uses of index number. At last, we can solve the various mathematical problem of index number. At first, we'll know what is index number. Dear students, a index numbers is a ratio or an average of ratios expressed as an percentage. Have you understand? Dear students, now we'll discuss the classification of index number. There are many types of index numbers. Among them, the most widely used three types are discussed below. Number A, price index number. Number B, quantity index number. Number C, value of index number. Price index number. The price index measures the relative change in the retail or wholesale price level of any particular commodity or a group of commodities. Have you understand, students? We can write mathematically price index number equal to total price of the current year divided by total price of the base year multiple 100 equal to summation p suffix n divided by summation p suffix o multiple 100. Dear students, we can write symbolically that where p suffix n equal to price of the current year and p suffix o equal to price of the base year. Next, quantity index number. The quantity index is the index that measures the relative changes in the quantity of industrial or agricultural products, import or export, and so on. Dear students, mathematically we can write quantity index number equal to total quantity for the current year divided by total quantity for the base year multiple 100. Symbolically, Q suffix on equal to summation Q suffix n divided by summation Q suffix o multiple 100, where Q suffix n equal to quantity of the current year, Q suffix o equal to quantity of the base year. Have you understand, students? Number C, value of index number. Dear students, the product of price and quantity of a commodity is called the value of that commodity. Mathematically, we can write value index number equal to total value of the current year divided by total value of the base year multiple 100. Symbolically, V suffix on equal to summation P suffix n multiple Q suffix n divided summation P suffix o multiple Q suffix o multiple 100. Have you understand? Next. Dear students, this chart is various method of constructing index number. Chart. At first, index number are two types method: unweighted index and weighted index. Unweighted index are two types: simple aggregate method, simple average of relative method. Same way, weighted index are two types method: weighted aggregate method, weighted average of relative method. Some statisticians establish various index number. This index number is called weighted aggregate method. That is called Lesper's formula, Pesce's formula, Marshall-Edgeworth formula, Wall's formula, Dorbish-Bowley's formula, Fisher's formula, and Kelly's formula. Now we'll discuss the various method of index number. Unweighted index number. There are two types: simple aggregate method. Dear students, the simple aggregate method is the simplest of all the methods of constructing the index number. In this method, the total of current year prices for different commodities is divided by the total of base year prices, then multiplied by 100. Symbolically, P suffix n equal to summation P suffix n divided summation P suffix o multiple 100, where P suffix on equal to price index for the current year n with respect to the base year o. P suffix n equal to price of the current year and P suffix o equal to price of the base year. For quantity index, Q suffix o n equal to summation Q suffix n by summation Q suffix o multiple 100, where Q suffix on equal to quantity index for the current year n with respect to the base year O. Qn means quantity of the current year and Qo means quantity of the base year. Have you understand, dear students? Next, B number, simple average of relative method. Dear students, in this method, the concept of average is used. Normally, we use the idea of arithmetic mean. Then a price relative is the ratio of price of a commodity in any years to its price in the base year. Then the ratio is multiplied by 100. Symbolically, the price relative PON equal to summation P suffix n divided by P suffix O divided by n multiple 100. And dear students, the quantity relative Q suffix O n equal to summation Q suffix n divided by Q suffix O divided by n multiple 100. Students, where n equal to number of the commodities. Dear students, when geometric mean is used for averaging the price in relatives, then price index P suffix O n equal to product P suffix n divided by P suffix O whole power 1 by n multiple 100. Another way, equal to NT log third bracket 1 by n summation log first bracket P suffix n by P suffix O multiple 100 first bracket close third bracket. Same way, quantity index Q suffix on equal to product Q suffix n by Q suffix O whole power 1 by n multiple 100 equal to NT log third bracket 1 by n summation log Qn by Qo multiple 100 third bracket close. Have you understand, dear students? Okay students, you watch the video attentively. If you face any problem, discuss with me. At last, we want to say, stay safe and stay home. Thanks to all.